Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to know Telegram user phone number. So let's start. So if you want to know the phone number from a user on Telegram, you can click on the profile, but not all of them have activate the phone number screen. If you want to see it, some of them are private, and you can ask to them if they want to send the phone number. But for example, let's try a user here. I can click on this one. So if you see here appears the icon from this user, I click here and you can see here that it doesn't appear the phone number. That means that phone number is private, so you can see any. Okay, so let's back here. But if you scroll down a little bit more, I will click here on this one and you click here on this person and you will find this person has a phone number. So that means that the phone number is public and you can see it. So that is how you can see the phone number from users on Telegram. So it's very easy to do it, but you have to see if the phone number is public or not. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and keep thumb up to this video.